morning!
Marami tayong ganap, marami tayong mga bagong mga mangyayari in the next couple of weeks.
Yes,
October is
yes.
a big month for you.
This year is a big year for us
Uy.
because we're celebrating our 25 years
Wow.
as a band.
Oh my God. Talaga naman 2 years old pa lang ay kumakanta na.
I love that. Pero alam mo, Mami Chiki, ito yung kasi yung they're gonna release an album, pero this is the first time they're releasing after 15 years again. Tama po ba, Sir Glenn?
Yeah, we released our fourth studio album in 2022. Yeah, and hindi namin masyadong na-promote kasi pandemic. So, continuing yung promotions namin before we create another one. And we just made a music video for our title track of the album, La Bulacania.
Yes,
We are paying tribute to our roots sa Bulacan.
Saan ba kayo sa Bulacan?
Baliwag, Larigel.
Baliwag, ayan.
At kita sa music video si Chelsea Manan.
Taga Bulacan din.
Taga Bulacan.
Parang sakto namang nahintay si Chelsea, no? Para sa La Bulacania. It was meant to be talaga, no, sir?
Pero-
It's fate.
Yes.
Tama. Tungkol saan ba yung La Bulacania? Kasi di ba si Juan Luna may artwork din na La Bulacania?
Exactly. Doon inspired yung song na yan.
Ang talino talaga ng kapatid kong to! Pasensya na po. Family Victorian po talaga namin to.
So ano ba yung kwento
Ito ba
ng
yun?
La Bulacania?
Yun ba yung pinakita sa music video?
Yeah, yung sa music video namin, hinighlight namin yung painting ni Juan Luna entitled Una Bulacania. And yan din ang inspirasyon ng aming awiting La Bulacania. Parang ini-imagine namin sino ba siya sa buhay ni Luna. So, yun, gumawa kami ng kwento, story about it. And we just challenge ourselves to write something na medyo may cultural note.
On record, wala tayong alam kung sino siya.
Meron na confirmed.
pero, okay.
Yeah, pero nalaman namin after we wrote the song.
Mas gusto ko yata yung version.
Nagtugma ba yung kanta nyo sa kanila sa nalaman yung identity?
Well, medyo hindi pa natin alam kung ano siya sa kay Luna.
Yung mystery doon, no?
Yung mystery.
Sir, at saan kayo nag-shoot nito? Kasi pinapakita po natin ngayon, this is the National Museum.
Yes, we are the first artist to shoot in the National Museum of Fine Arts.
Kaya nabigla ako kasi alam ko, hindi pa yan ever nagawa. So to see, memorize ko to dahil yung mga anak ko favorite dyan. So, eto sir, what was the feeling like? Kasi it was written, La Bulacania, and then the painting, and now you are, ang daming, kumbaga parang espesyal sa kanta at album na ito dahil kayo rin ang first Filipino artist na nakapag-shoot dito. Sir, how do you feel about that?
Well, masaya talaga kasi syempre kami, we weren't expecting naman talaga in the first place to shoot inside the National Museum of Fine Arts, and yung tipong we paid tribute na rin to the Una Bulacania painting. So for us, it was like parang what you call this? Satisfaction or parang ganon. Fulfillment.
And a
It's an honor.
To pay forward to our culture. Kasi sa album din namin, we paid tribute to Nicanor Abelardo. May version kami ng Bituing Marikit. Tapos yung isang tula ni Rizal, ginawa naming awit ni Maria Clara. From Noli Me Tangere rin naman yun, yung tula niya. So, yung album na yun, medyo makata siya. So parang we challenge ourselves. We want to do something different for our fellow Filipinos through our music.
Galing!
Gusto ko yung sabihin, that's how the legends do it talaga. Kasi, no, it's true. That's how the living legend. Hindi talaga kasi syempre, we grew up listening to Orange and Lemons, and may pagkakataon talaga sa karera ng isang musikero or ng isang banda na pwede mo lang gawin ito. Kasi nababatay or naaanay na, Kapampangan, sorry, nahahanay na.
Kapampangan, nahanay.
Kapampangan kasi ako, pasensya
Pag
na po.
legend, inaanay na.
sorry sir. Alam mo, na-excite ako. Pero diba, saktong-sakto talaga that you're paying tribute to Filipino artists as
Sa first time namin mag-record gumawa ng album na all Tagalog.
Nice! Pero ano ba, may naging difference sa appreciation nyo or sa journey nyo dun sa album from 2 years ago? May nag-iba ba yung ibig niya sabihin para sa inyo? Since lumipas na yung ilang taon na rin, 2 taon na rin eh.
I think,
Oo nga. Ayan, or use the mic. Ayan na lang.
what do you call this?
It's okay.
It's okay, it's okay.
What do you call this? May nabag. Feeling namin it's something that people can discover through the years. Parang yung ibang song namin na discover ng bagong henerasyon. So nag-hit uli. Kahit 20 years old na yung song. So I think that's the test of time. Yeah. So we feel validated.
Perfect timing itong passion project ninyo. Kasi ang alam natin sa mga Gen Z, naghahanap sila ng kahulugan sa lahat ng ginagawa nila. Ng kabuluhan. They want meaning in things they do. So I think it's so timely. Ang galing ng timing nyo.
Sir, pasample naman ng Heaven Knows. Parang talagang...
Yes.
Parang Orange and Lemons ang gusto kong buong Good Morning to Manila. Buong show.
Oo nga.
Sobrang fan po ako. Ayan. Ayun pala.
Okay, there you go.
Heaven knows, sir.
Heaven knows?
Opo,
Yes,
sir.
Meron po kami talaga dito sa Good Morning Kapatid mapagsamantala.
Para na kayo
Talaga
nag-mini concert,
papabayan.
pasensya na po kayo sa amin. Pero talaga, it really just proves na grabe ang daming hits talaga.
Yeah.
Ng Orange and Lemons. And Sir Clem, let's talk about your upcoming 25th concert. Okay, you want to
25th anniversary.
25th year anniversary concert.
To celebrate our anniversary, we're doing a concert on October 18 at Metro 10 Convention Center. This will be a 3-hour concert. We'll be playing, if not all, most of our songs from our 4 albums. We will be documenting our journey from the first album to 4th album kasi may tema siya, bawat album may tema. So yeah, we are doing this for ourselves and especially for our music fans, our true fans, old and new. So we are excited to do this. This is the first time na gagawin namin ito.
When is this again, sir?
October 18th,
October 18. Okay.
Metro 10
Calendar na.
Convention Center. Yeah, we'll give you backstage pass.
Sir, oh my God! Sir, ako, nasa TV yan, ha?
Touch move.
Mag-usap na kami ni Wawi, ano yung jam natin sa concert.
Nasa TV
Grabe!
yan.
Game! Super excited for all fans like ourselves, sir. Kasi to have you on the show, ang agang pamasko nito para sa amin. Salamat for stopping
Thank you
by.
very much.
Salamat!
Mga kapatid, Maui David po. Simula ng inyong araw na may alam at may pakialam sa mga may init at umaaksyong balita sa bansa. Para maging una sa balitaan, mag-subscribe at mag-follow sa social media pages ng News 5.